have your...
It's good.
Okay, go.
That's not straight
This
line.
is now, this is a sample.
That's not that straight line.
How do I make this one?
I got so much energy today, my nose.
Good.
Who knows how to draw? Got my nose.
Drawing.
Ay,
Right. I just hate going to
Up.
Oh, good, good, good. Wala na, hindi. Okay, at last, price. Price. And then, yung price ni mo.
Oriang.
Orian.
No
What
phones
happened to
around.
you? Near
Orian,
si my...
this is your price.
Yeah, I got so
Isa
much.
pa ginagsayaw. Nagsayaw yun, kailang daming sayaw.
You have to open it.
So, kamura no, do you have already your price?
Yeah, but it's impossible to open.
Wala kayo mo nagsayaw tulo.
That's
Kaya
so
ibay ka ka nung gusto ka.
My nose got aching
Yeah,
again.
ang dili yun magsayaw, hindi na ko
I
tagaan.
just want to open this.
Okay.
Not impossible to open the seal. Oh.
So, I can't open it.
No candy.
You can open, just wait.
Don't open it! Get back to your seat!
Just leave her, Jed. Leave her, Jed.
Video.
It's okay, let's check that out.
Guys, you know it's gonna annoy me so much.
Sarah.
Just leave her.
Yes,
Do
but
not
it's
look up to that. Okay.
right.
You can bring the celebration on YouTube.
Just right.
Up.
How do you open it?
Not yet. Eat the candy
I'm
yet.
hungry.
Be patient.
Do not open yet. Do not open yet, because it's not yet called. We will be having a class.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
what?
19.
Not yet.
What you're going to do, you have to connect this
Oh,
one.
wait. Give me one.
No, not
Just sit
yet.
down, babe. Okay, I will
Be
come
patient for
here.
once.
Here.
Sit down.
Just take your seat. Head,
Shoulders.
Ala, balat na yun.
shoulder,
Head. Ay, buhok.
hair,
Bad. Dalugan.
ear,
Ilong.
Ilong. Mata. Bati na yun.
Hanggang.
Down.
Where are you going? Hilay.
ear. They will not let you snap Arya if you're always walking around. Take your own seats.
I don't want to move.
Then fingers,
Nasa dia.
toes, arm, mouth, eyes. Okay.
Hilay.
For example, okay, kaya mo hilay. Okay. For example, I will connect this one. We have to connect it here. This is the hair. Okay.
Here.
So you have to connect which part of that?
Body.
Body, ma'am.
Parts
Body.
of the body.
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body.
Body.
Ba't di body? Body.
Oh.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, body, ma'am.
Okay, pulin.
Patay.
Nasa ang hand. Hand pulin. Ito do ang paano ng eyes. Ito do ang eyes. Uy, amang eyes. Where which number is the eyes?
3.
Number?
No.
Number 10.
How you not
Okay,
see it?
10. Connect to the eyes. Eyes. Mata. Asa mata?
Sige nga.
You have to connect eyes.
All the way
Mata.
up.
Mata.
Hindi na doors.
That is the ears. Now, mata, eyes.
Let me help you.
No, do not picture. come next. Pulit.
Right.
Come here, Pulit.
Ulit.
Puling.
Ya, at, ganun, abot naman ka diya.
Si Oh,
Balik.
hindi na candy.
Balik eh, pagawas ka na karon. 1, 2. Where is the mouth? Mouth. Mouth.
Pak.
Back. Mouth. M. So M. M. O. U. T. H. So, mouth. Connect the mouth. Very good. Next, Arya. Where is the
No.
fingers?
Yes.
Fingers.
Vanessa.
Very
Not
good.
eat the candy
Okay.
yet.
Next, Andrea. Where is the ears?
Lagi na sa si.
And
The
that's
ears.
time.
Lagi na ipon. Lagi na sa.
Yes, I had
Okay,
one.
the ears. Very good.
See.
Next, the toes. Yes. The toes. Toes. Toes.
Toes.
Toes. Asan toes?
Where are they?
Shoulder ka? Sige, okay na na. Okay na na. Shoulder. Okay, next. Jed, the toes.
You not see it because
Look at that one. This is the toes.
yeah, I'm not see it right there.
Yeah, the
Because
toes.
of my glasses.
Tagaan
Toes.
Ma'am Puling.
Very
Oh,
good,
pag-ibar.
Jed.
Ano lang, pag-ibar ginakan.
Dessa, where
Pag-ipon, makuhan pa.
is the head?
Makuha na daw ni.
Head.
Hey.
Head. Asan head? Hindi, Pastor. Head. Head. Take. Okay. Head.
And number one.
Number 2.
Right there.
Yeah. Head. Dibutang. Asan mo dibutang ang head?
Sa ulo.
Sa ulo. Asan mo
Ulo ba,
dibutang?
ulo?
Converted.
It's right here.
Head man, head.
Yes, right here.
Sa ulo dibutang. Head. Sa ulo, ibabaw.
No, no.
Ibabaw. That's not.
Just pointing there. Not there.
This is the head. You're wrong, Jen.
No, I'm at the point.
Yeah, this is the head.
Right there, point.
Yeah. Okay, next the arm. Where is the arm?
Pay ka.
Paika. Arm.
Right here.
Alam mo, ikaw ni mo.
Not checking the candy.
Ano yung hard?
Take your seats. Take your seats. Arm. The arm. Arm.
Yes, you're too much.
Okay. Where is the last one? The
Vanessa.
hand. Okay, hand or fingers pareha ka. So,
Yeah.
good
Vanessa.
job.
Pepper 1.
So,
Done already.
you will know already why is it that we need to know the body parts?
We need some move.
Why, Jed?
We need some parts we had to grab. Wow.
Yes, because we need to know para we know what are the uses of that. So, what's the use of the fingers, Andrea? What do you think? Used to grab something, right, when you ate? Very good, Andrea. How about the mouth? What's the purpose of the mouth, Arya? Yes, you cannot eat if your mouth is closed. Try to close your mouth. You cannot talk. Okay, try to talk when your mouth is closed. Try. Talk, Gaben. Can you talk? Oh my God. So it's very
Impossible to talk.
yeah. Try to see if your eyes is closed.
You can't.
Close your eyes and find your bag. Close your eyes. Try to close your eyes.
I got this all.
Oh, see? Everything will fill up on the ground. Kung hindi ka ulang, you can use your eyes. What happens if you do not have the hair?
You roll.
Just
Yes, upaw ka, bald. So what happened with that if you are bald?
I won't make fun of you.
No.
You
that-
cannot make art hairpin of your hair, or maybe the lice will automatically land on your bald head.
But they can't.
And then
They
when
will
you go
go.
outside and the weather is so hot, it will automatically
Heat.
hit your head and you will get fever.
Head or headache.
Headache. Very good, Jed.
How would it feel if you had no hearing?
What?
Like, if you lost your hearing, your sense of hearing, how would you feel?
You need to
Okay,
take a job
okay.
for that.
Try to feel Efren. Efren lost the hearing.
You can't.
Even if you're shouting the name, Efren, he
Unless you
cannot
do
hear.
sign language.
That's why we need to have a sign language. Also to Pulit can hear a little.
I think she's 70% deaf.
A little only, but she can hear.
She's 70% deaf, I think.
Yeah, a little bit. But she can hear. So we say, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Alright?
Yeah.
Mother. Where's mother? Mother. Papa. Brother.
Mama, Papa.
Oh, mama, papa. Look like that. No?
Yeah.
Teacher. My name is Colette Guapa.
My name is Olivia Maria Ryan.
Very good.
But he cannot talk. But he cannot understand.
Ito.
But he can sign language instead.
Yeah, we will be having a sign language also. So
Hey, you
that
know
one
what?
can
Don't-
understand.
She's not to understand.
Don't have monkey teeth on you to get braces.
No. She understands like
Really?
Yeah, that was the worst day ever.
Really?
Yeah, because people wonky and they had to put braces on his teeth.
You have grease in your teeth.
No, Johnny had to have braces. My bro had to have braces on.
Really? Why you didn't tell your mom that you have to?
I have braces.
You do have braces, so it's
Because
only...
I'm my teeth
only
are
the
straight.
dogs.
Last time,
Yeah, my teeth are really
then
straight.
you get it off.
No,
Or are you just lying?
I'm
Are you
not.
bluffing or
Are
is
you-
it true or not?
Are you sure?
Johnny has braces, not me.
Okay, Johnny only.
Yeah.
Don't you
they're
know?
wonky.
The braces can make your teeth more straight.
That's why my bro
Yeah.
has
Yeah,
braces.
and it can make you more handsome.
Yep, for the dental, for the teeth.
Yeah. That
Maybe
is,
people have artificial teeth
yeah,
because
But-
they used to have wonky teeth when they were younger.
yeah.
So they replace it with they use they hide their teeth with artificial
Okay,
ones.
very good, Aria. Okay, why we need to know the body part? Because we should know what are the
Uses.
uses. Okay, we are already old, diba?
We're
Yes.
not old.
We are old already.
Yes, we all
But
have
our
understand.
mind-
Mind.
Yeah,
Yes.
older. We are older. We are teens already because we are 14, 17. Even the others are 21 already, right?
I always 18 years old here.
Yeah, teens also.
You're turning 18 this month, right?
But it's only a month later.
Yeah. Then don't interrupt me. And then don't you know that if we are teens already, we should know how to take care of ourselves. Like for example,
Taking a bath.
take care of where are you
And
going?
take that.
I will not let.
Sorry.
Get back your seat.
Okay, nagsorry na siya.
Oh.
Okay, take your seats.
Why
Okay,
taking a bath?
we should know how to
Sit down.
take care of ourselves, Andrea, no? Like for example, Ariel, okay, take your
Sit
seat.
down.
Take your seat.
Stand.
Take your seat.
Seat.
I will not let you have yours now.
No, fine.
Okay. We need to. No.
I swear there's no phone call.
Yes, yeah. Hello. Ging. Hello, Ging. Oh.
Sit. Yeah.
Sure. Nine sila. 1, 2, 3. No?